In business, you have to stop being the nice guy and fire fast and hire slow.
My one accountant, we had him for 20 something years. Okay. And he retired and he didn't even give his business to somebody else. I needed a new accountant. I have corporations and things. And so I thought, well, let me go on Yelp. I went on Yelp and I saw a local accountant. This was in Colorado because we're incorporated there and had really good reviews and everything. So I called him up. We had a nice conversation. I sent him my corporate taxes to review and to set up and file. And he said, well, I'll take care of it. I'll have him back to you in 2 weeks. 2 weeks go by. Okay, maybe he needs another week. Nothing happens. Like your Gary. I called him up. Oh, well, Claude got real busy. Give me another 2 weeks. I said, okay, fine. It's no rush. We got plenty of time. 2 weeks go by, nothing. I'm a guy who likes to file. I don't like problems. I like to file my stuff on time. And then, so 2 weeks go by, call him again. Oh, Claude, just give me another week. I said, okay. I was being that nice guy.
This is the third time?
This is the second time.
Oh, second time. Okay.
The third time, a week goes by, another week, and I called him up. Hi, Claude, I'm sorry, we're working on it right now. We got jammed up, a computer. This. I said, no, send me all the stuff back. It's over. Oh, Claude, I sounded like he was going to cry on the phone because I don't think anybody ever does that. The third time, you're out, baby. I said, no, send it. You're out. And it worked out really well because our accountant now. I spoke to a couple. What I should have done the first time, I spoke to a couple people. Someone referred me a fantastic guy. He saves me money. He does everything on time. He's a real professional. I don't care how much somebody charges me if they help me make money or save money or keep me out of trouble. That was all I was looking for. So sometimes you got to fire somebody. You just got to say, this guy, when I fired him, I don't think anyone's ever done that to him before. Can you imagine?